Welcome to the fourth presentation in week 6 of GA103 and our discussion of the finer points of layout.
Runarounds, where the text runs around the image, help break up large blocks of copy. However, when using runarounds on an image, be careful that the formatting is not compromised. Use a line to organize a layout. Here we see a vertical line being used to separate the information. The line is not visible, but implied by the alignments. Sometimes we want to put text on top of an image and stand out. We can do this in Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. To make a transparent overlay in Photoshop, fill the marquee with a percentage of white. This is an example of a white percentage fill in Photoshop. This can also be done in the other programs. If you're going to run a photograph through type, the type reversed out of the photo must be very large in order to see and understand the image. Here is the design idea. Use a screen of an Illustrator logo really large behind stationery to reinforce the identity. Another design idea. Remember that type can be three-dimensional and does not always have to be flat. Big contrast in sizes increases drama and contrast in the layout. Don't use a headline font in body copy. Do not use a headline font smaller than 14 to 18 point. This will aid in hierarchy and readability. Typically, ads usually include a huge headline. This creates drama and an eye-catching effect. Divide long pieces of copy into parts with subheads. This helps the viewer break up the information and it becomes easier to understand. You can also embed subheads as a variation to the layout. Here is another design idea. Consider long subheads. These create a visual break and drama within the. Here's an example of a strong layout using some of the techniques we have looked at.